Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 17th of August till 23rd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's start with your readings now. Oh my god. Alright, so one more time. As you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see what do my Virgos have for the coming week. What kind of messages do my Virgos have, please? Let's see for my Virgos, please, from 17th of August till 23rd of August. Last shuffle. Alright. At the end of the deck, it's the Death card. So I'm seeing that, it's like you are not ending, it's more of a change, where you are wanting, you're manifesting that change. You are just tired of your mundane life and you are really ready for a change. You are really ready for a new beginning, something like that. With this, let's see now. Your past energies are the Chariot, King of Rods, and Six of Cups. So I'm seeing that in your past as well, there was a dream, basically, to move on in your life. I'm seeing that this was more about dreaming rather than acting. It was not in your actions, it was more about your dreams. You were thinking about to move on in your life, to do good things, to do stuff, and to work on yourself. Okay, with the Chariot as the first card. So you wanted to move on, but it was just like you were not able to do it. Now in the present, you have started manifesting the things, manifesting, because now you have all the tools. With the Magician, he has everything now. He has the rod, he has the sword, the pentacle, the cup. So he has all the tools with him. So he is manifesting the things. So what are you doing? With the Lovers, the Magician, and the Sun in your present energies. So beautiful energies, Virgo. So you are manifesting. Might be a love for which you are manifesting towards you, like all the angels. You are manifesting like towards whole of the universe. You are telling that to manifest this person in your life. Might be for some of you, might be this, might be just manifesting good time to come in your life. Your future energies are Four of Rods, Two of Swords, and King of Swords. So I'm seeing action now. So before it was just planning, it was just memorizing. Now you have all the tools, you are manifesting. And in your future, I'm seeing you are taking action towards the thing. You might be with the Two of Swords. I don't know what exactly you are confused about in your future, but we'll clarify. You are ready for the change. Basically, this is the message which I'm getting today. Let's see why the Death is over here in your overall energy. Why Death is here? Why the Death is here in the overall energy, please? Four of Swords, Temperance, and Page of Rods. Okay, so you have thought about it a lot. You have even meditated. You have trust in your gods. You have trust in everything, and you have actually given a lot of time thinking for whatever change you wanted in your life, whatever this is. This might be a situation, it might be a person, for a person you want to change, something like that. You have thought about it, you have meditated on it, you have actually given this thing a time. You were not like, okay, I want to do it fast. No, that's not Virgo quality. You were like, you were slow, you were actually analyzing, you were taking short steps. See, with this child steps, I'm seeing with the Page of Rods today, that you were taking some short steps towards achieving this thing in your life. You were not fast, though you were passionate about it, yes, but you were not like just running, let's just get it. No, you were thinking, you were taking short steps, and you are on the right approach. Okay. Let's clarify the King of Rods in your past energies, Two of Cups, and the Empress. See, you were growing, you were actually giving yourself so much time. I'm seeing that. See, with the Chariot, you wanted to move on. With the Empress, basically Empress and Chariot, it's like moving on within yourself. It's like giving yourself time, giving a lot of growth which was needed for you. You actually given that thing a lot of time in your life. And yes, you were really passionate about it. Whatever thing was that which you were thinking, like meeting someone new, or to just let someone in your life, or it might be just a job as well. So anything, just a small thing to a big thing, a situation. You were thinking about it because you wanted this thing to happen, or for this thing to happen, you actually wanted yourself to grow within yourself. See? Wow. Let's see, why is the Six of Cups over here? What are you thinking about? What memories? What are these things? What is the Six of Cups in your past energies? I'm seeing that you are dreaming to, gain some good things in your life. It's been like a long time you have not gone to travel or something. It's sometimes for you, some of you, it's like, you are dreaming about traveling again, dreaming about to move on in your life. That thing I'm seeing. What else do we have for Six of Cups? Ten of Cups. See, you are dreaming about a happy family, you are dreaming about abundance, and see, you actually started manifesting in your dreams only in your past. I'm seeing that it was not just like right now in your present. I'm seeing with the Magician in the past as well. You started working on it in your mind, in your dreams, in your thoughts. You started working because you wanted something really badly. Might be a good relationship with someone, might be a lot of abundance, money, wealth, your growth. This can be anything, but you wanted it so badly because it was all around you, in your thoughts, it was in you, in your energies. Let's see why the Lovers is here in your present energy. Ace of Rods. See, you wanted to start something new with someone, starting something new with a situation. You are not in your old energies where you are thinking about the past memories. No, I'm seeing that it's a whole new Virgo over here. I don't know. See, with the Death over here again, transformation, a big transformation is coming up in your life. It has already been started, I'm saying. Let's see the Sun in your present. Why the Sun is here? The Hangman and Four of Cups. See, you are like, whatever, you know what to decide, what to do. You are not accepting the stagnancy, basically. So all that waiting time is over now, and you are not accepting that I'm not going to just stay and sit over here doing nothing. No, you are saying no to that. You are saying yes to moving on, and no to holding on. Okay, so that's a good title for my YouTube, for my Virgos. Okay, so let's see why the Four of Rods over here. Four of Rods in your future energies. This is abundance, I'm seeing. These are so many cards. Why the Four of Rods is here? Five of Pentacles. Okay, what else do we have? Page of Cups. So I'm seeing that sometimes, you know what happens, that to start something new, to start something, like while taking a baby step towards something, you have like you have to leave some things, you know, some past things, and you're leaving those things. I'm seeing that because you are moving, you know, see, you are leaving bad things and you are moving forward in your life. That's what I'm getting. I don't have any other words. It's all like past is gone and you are like heading towards future. Why the Two of Swords is here in your past, in your future energies? Why the Two of Swords is here? King of Cups. Okay, Two of Wands, and Knight of Rods. All right. It's like there are two things. One is very mature and the other thing is not immature, but it's like one requires patience and one requires really taking step ahead fast. So you are confused in those two energies. See, basically this is a thing where one is a long term thing, in which you have to choose between two things in your future. It's coming up, I'm seeing that. Two things between the King of Cups and the Knight of Rod. It's like one is really stable, one is mature, one is a long term thing, and the other is a very short term thing, like might be a problem only, and this might be a long term relationship or a long term, you know, your career, where you are seeing yourself after 5 years from now, after 10 years from now. So that is some kind of a longevity which you are focusing on, but there are some issues in your life right now, so that is why you are not able to balance. There are so many ideas coming up in your life. There are like questions coming up, like which way to go right now, whether to go towards the long term thing or to just opt this small thing. And finally you are thinking that let's finish this issue first and then go towards the long term. This is something which you are thinking. And if you will leave this thing and you will go towards this mature or long term thing, so this is actually giving you like, no, I cannot do that. Okay, so this is a question which is coming up in your life, that I have to handle both the things. So that is what you are thinking. Let's see why the King of Swords is here. See, Six of Swords. So you are actually, I'm seeing that you want to move on. You are taking some kind of a practical decision, whatever this thing is, whatever, because the decision is all yours in future. You are really taking a step ahead, whatever decision it might be. It will be like, it might be like very practical, because you are thinking about it and you have already thought about it, and you want that, I want to go towards calmer waters, no matter how much time it takes, but I really need to finish some kind of chaos first, then I have to move on in my life. That is what you are thinking. Okay, let's clarify once more. One more card, please. The Knight of Swords. See, you are ready to fight the battle, I'm seeing. You have that plans, everything is in your mind, all the plans are there. You're ready to fight the battle and then to move on, you know, ready to end that chaos in your life. That is what I'm seeing. All right, so that's all from my side, my Virgos, and I hope it helps. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.